We'll try this again with stereo at some point. I found her, or she found me in the spring of 23. I bought her a drink, but I didn't think she would ask me if I wanted to leave. Her tattoos in the moonlight and the fire in her eyes made this stranger seem so dangerously wise. She said life is much too short to be lived anything but fast. Those who wait learn much too late that their moments all have passed. So this is my philosophy, if baby you can dig it. This life is mine to live and I'm gonna live it. She said why suffer summer rain when the sun shines in the west? Why let my momentum die when I don't need to rest? Why do anything that I don't want to do? And why be lonely when I could spend the night with you? She said, boy, I know that look, don't you get too attached. One day you will find me gone and I never look back. Don't try to build a house on sand, don't try to snare the wind. Don't wait for what's begun to begin. Why suffer summer rain when the sun shines in the west? Why let my momentum die when I don't need to rest? Why do anything that I don't want to do? And why be lonely when I can spend the night with you? Well, she said it, so it was. Only took a week or two. I could only blame myself. She did what she said she'd do. But tell me why. Tell me why. Oh, tell me why. She left no sad note on the pillow, gave no forced apology, just left an unrequited burning love and a new philosophy. Why suffer summer rain when the sun shines in the west? Why let my momentum die when I don't need to rest? Why do anything that I don't want to do? And why be lonely? Thank you.